say that we are. This is Rock Nation, pledge your allegiance.
What is up, YouTube? We're back in the fucking warehouses. I have not posted in a minute. There's been so much going on. But right now we came back, me and my boy Darius. We came to get lit again and show y'all a good fucking time in the vlog, right? We've been slacking, but we're coming back up, right?
I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna slack it. But welcome back.
So I just swing Chaka's truck. I helped her get some fucking a jack because she needed it bad. Look how bad. Look at that shit. I know más. Alright, you got Darius swinging it. So how you feel? You did good?
Fuck yeah, you did.
What I tell you?
You did
What
a
I tell you,
job,
Darius?
bro.
I'm buying one of these. I am buying one.
I'm telling you.
This is the funnest thing I've ever drifted ever. This shit is fucking fun, bro. This shit is fun as fuck. Oh my god.
They have to let him help.
Guys, we convinced him to get a truck because the truck I let him swing in it.
Shout out to Chaka, man. That shit was fun as hell. I've never slid a truck ever. I've slid like 20 cars, but this was so fun. It's like planted. It's not too light. You know what I mean? It's not too heavy type shit. It was fun. It's easy to get confident. It's easy to get confident. That's
So
the
sooner or
biggest
later, stay tuned for the new truck. Yeah. Darius toys. Eric needs to start learning how to swing. He needs to learn. He's scared.
Ah, you missed it.
Let me cam my shit first. And then we'll go from
Yeah,
there.
can we get some small?
Exactly, like I don't know what to say. I'm retarded.
It's a vlog. Everyone comment down and tell her to start recording. She goes to Florida and everything and don't ever fucking upload.
When
Hop
are you
on
gonna
a-
start traveling?
When she invites me,
I always invite you.
I just
Only one time.
I just
One
went right
time. Ahorita ya, pero a ver.
Pues la
yeah.
que traigas
You know what? I'm not gonna say nothing because that's like quemar him.
Oh fuck.
Wait, I just asked her if he knows how to swing. She's like, I don't know. Nope.
Gotta take him out. Take him out, Taco. Take him out.
You're gonna try to burn out. It's not gonna.
Oh no, Brian, what are you doing?
You're not. You're cut.
Hey, check out number two. Check out number two.
No, there's no one ever like Chaka, ever.
Alright, y'all, so out to homegirls with me. They got drunk as fuck. Look at her. She's drunk. She's dead. No, homegirl else is drunk. So you guys know new characters like Darius said on his vlog. This is Candy, and that's Kiara. And they're both drunk as fuck. So yeah.